Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how as a teacher you can take practical exam in Microsoft Team of each student at a time, and second, how to control class in Microsoft Team, and number 3, how to see name of a student who disturbing a class. So one by one I will tell you. So first one is how to take practical exam one by one for a Viva voice. That is very easy in Microsoft Team. For that, I already opened Microsoft Team and I'm going to join a link. I already made a link, so I'm going to join, and after that you will get this type of interface. And the first one is how to take a practical exam of each student. So that is very easy. All of you click on this option, show participant, and now click on three dots and click on this manage permission. So by clicking on this manage permission option, you have to you will get another interface in Google Chrome, and here you should select, there is a first option, who can bypass the lobby. If you want to take Viva voice of student of each student one by one. So that option is very useful. Who can bypass the lobby? From here select only me and click on save. Who can bypass the lobby? Click on save only me. And who can present? From here also you have to select only me, because other student become attendees automatically when you will set this option who can present. Only you are a presenter and your students become attendees. And who can bypass the lobby? Only me, and click on save. Now what happened when, if student will join, now I want to show you on the screen. So I want to show you on screen. You can see right hand side there is a student Om Lakina, and I am as a presenter. Now as he will join, what happened, you can see as he joined, message will come on the screen, waiting in the lobby one student. So you have to click on this tick mark. For example, I want to take Viva voice of this student, because if you join with all student, especially for the practical or Viva voice, so it's not an easy task as a teacher. So that option is good. So I want to entertain Om Lakhina. Now click on this tick symbol. He is waiting in the lobby. As I click, now I can be able to take Viva voice of a Om Lakhina. So this is the first option. I told you how to take practical exam in Microsoft Team of each student at one by one. So that is a, you have to set the lobby option as I told you. Now the second option is how to control class in Microsoft Team. How you can control. So now there is a very good option given by Microsoft recently. You have to again click on these three dots. Now you can see on screen, you can see Om Lakhina is there. So by default he is having a control to mute or unmute. Now what you can do, suppose all students are talking, you want to control your class, there is a very good option. You click on these three dots and do not allow attendees to unmute. By this option student can't be able to unmute. As I clicked on that, you can see you have to click on don't allow. Now right hand side you can see now mic symbol is become gray. It is as a inactive state. Student can't be able to unmute. Until as a teacher you can do only how, by you click on these three dots. Sorry, now you click on again these three dots on participant. Now click on these three dots and again allow attendees to unmute. Allow. So by this way you can use this is a great option. Don't allow attendees to unmute. You can control your class. So that was the second option. Now I'm going to discuss how to see name of a student who disturbing a class. For that, what you have to do, for example, you can see I'm there's a one student with me, Om Lakina. What you have to do, who is disturbing your class, you will get the name. How? Click on these three dots, more action. This is option called more action, three dots. And here this is option turn on live captions. Turn on live captions, click on that. Now I'm showing you practically. Hello, hello Om. So this is my name Sadev. Om, what are you doing?
So, sir, nothing.
Okay. So you can see on the screen at bottom, my name is coming. Whatever, whoever any student is speaking, you will get his her name. By this way, you can be able to find out who is disturbing the your class. So you don't want, you have to again turn off live options. That is depend on you. So by this way, I told you how you can take the practical exam in Microsoft Team for each student at a time, how to control class in Microsoft Team, how to see name of a student who disturbing your class. So I hope all of you like this video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel and also write the comments. Thank you so much.